Did you stain my Pampered Chef?
And on the next episode of Project Help Desk, we figure out how to get stains out of silicone Pampered Chef things. So have you ever made the wife mad making Hoover stew because, well,
insert.
Apparently I did. I mean, it's a utensil. It's supposed to look like it's used.
It was brand new.
It looks like food. So as we all know, tomato sauce stains are the bane of every kitchen owner's existence. It gets into everything that has any kind of a rubber, silicone, plastic design and just leaches in, and you can almost never get it out. So today we're going to see if we can actually get the stain out of the wife's fancy
Pampered Chef
spatula, or
if you're going to have to buy me a new one. I pretty much use baking soda and Dawn for just about everything. We're going to try that today. There is the terrible spatula. I can't believe he did that. We're going to make a paste. Here's my container of Dawn baking soda. 2 squirts of that. Generally, and then I'm going to add a little water, and I'm going to make paste. Actually, I think I need more. I'm just going to go like this. If this does not work this time, I'm going to be very upset because it was not. I even put it in soapy water right away. All right. We're just going to leave it in the sink for a while and see what happens. So it's not been stained for long. I'm hoping that it will come right out. Alright, so I don't think it's ready quite yet, but I do need my sink. It's been sitting here for about 50 minutes, so I'm just gonna... I normally like to wait until things are crusty, but it's still very wet. But I'm going to kind of scrub it, and then I'm gonna put it in some water that I microwaved that's hot. This Handi wipe. Okay, I think it helped it a little bit, but not too much. I'm going to let it sit there, and I'm going to add a little distilled vinegar to the situation. Ooh, look at that. I just made a volcano. So you can't tell, it is still slightly orange, but it is better than it was. What I did was I put a few cups with some Dawn dish soap and some baking soda and put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. And then I put the brush in there and let it sit. It's been sitting in there. I think I've refreshed it a couple times, but look at the stain is gone on both sides. Yeah, that worked.